How to fix Rockstar Games error code 133. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can bypass this kind of error message that you're seeing on Rockstar Games, which is going to be code 133. So first we have to determine what is this specific code means. So error code 133 is actually an indicator of a connection or authentication failure. It typically states that the Rockstar Game services are unavailable and offline play could not be verified. So your main thing of doing the troubleshooting step is to make sure that you have full access on your internet service so that you can run the game. However, if you have tried all necessary troubleshooting steps but it's still not working, then all you have to do is to uninstall the application. To properly uninstall it, just head straight into your Windows search and type in add remove, and then choose this option here that says add or remove programs that will redirect you into your system settings. Now from your system settings, all you need to do here is to locate the main file of GTA 5 Launcher or your Rockstar Games Launcher. Now once you're here, all you have to do is to use this box here to search for Rockstar Games. To properly uninstall it, to simply click on Rockstar Games, choose an uninstall, and then your Rockstar Games window will pop out to confirm uninstallation. Next is to re-downloading the main file. You can go straight into Rockstar Games' official website, which is this one, and then choose on Get Launcher, have it installed on their official site. To get games, simply choose on the games menu and then choose the game that you prefer. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix Rockstar Games error code 133.